Hi there, in this video, I'll show you how to make QR codes in Canva using two different methods. Let's get started. In Canva, go to the Apps section and search for QR code. You'll find various apps to create QR codes. We'll focus on the simple QR code app and the dynamic QR code app. Let's start with the basic QR code app. Enter a URL. Customize the QR code by choosing foreground and background colors. Set a margin and generate the code. You'll see the QR code that, when scanned, directs to the entered URL. If you prefer a more dynamic QR code, try the dynamic QR code app. Choose a template. Enter a URL. Add shapes or logos to personalize it, and even customize the colors. This creates a more interactive QR code experience. That's it! You've successfully created QR codes using Canva's two different methods. Thanks for watching.